Hey there, Gemini! Thank you so much. Patuloy at wala po ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to at sa mga new subscribers. Hi and hello, welcome po, ako po si Yan. At sa returning subscribers, maraming thank you sa patuloy at walang sawa ninyong suporta. So yun nga mga babes, no, titingnan natin no, is kung ano ba mga posibleng maaaring maging kaganapan here for you guys. Pero syempre, just take only what resonates. Wala tayong gender dito, babae, lalaki, LGBT. Crosswatchers, you can flip roles if you want, no? Flip roles. Flip roles if you want, no? At syempre, meron kayong free will at the end of the day. Of course, you can do that. Okay, so yeah, let's take a look at ano ba ang mga pwedeng maging kaganapan here for you. Gemini. So, Person Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. Ano natin? Gemini. Spirit and Angel, guys, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. What do we have here for my Gemini people, please? Gemini. This is for Gemini. What do we have here for my Gemini people, please? Just gathering up the right energies. Okay, so yeah, let's go ahead and check this out. Gemini. First energy we've got here for you guys is this. Wow, no place like home. Hmm. You know what? I'm sensing this type of energy that someone here, no, naiisip niya kayo rito. Could be an ex. But for others of you, this is someone here, no, na pwedeng namimiss ka niya. Doesn't have to be na separated kayo. Sa iba, yes. Okay? If this is your ex. Sa iba, pwedeng malayo siya sa inyo. Naiisip niya kayo, no, nakita ko rito ng mabagal na paggalaw, no, parang isa siyang suso. Isa siyang snail, no, yung alaga ni SpongeBob, gano'n, mga babes, no? Isa siyang suso, no, na parang namimiss niya kayo rito, no, gusto niya dito ng pagbabago. Yung iba matagal niyo na siyang hindi nakita or nakausap, no? Doesn't have to be na ex lang yan. Sa iba pwedeng old friend, pwede naman na person na naging close kayo, no, noon, mga ganyan, no. Or yung iba naman, no, pwedeng may communication, pero alam mo yun, malayo kayo sa isa't isa. So, could be a family member. Others of you could be an LDR situation, namimiss ka niya, no. Pero magiging mabagal rito yung parang pagtatagpo ninyo, no, ng malapitan. Kasi parang this feels like you feel so near yet so far kind of thing. This person misses you at lagi kanyang naaalala at naiisip ngayon, no, and this person here is claiming na sa feeling mo, no, with no place like home, no, parang walang iba pa rin na nakakatumbas ng pagmamahal mo, no, kung ito man ay ex, no, wala pa rin siyang nahahanap rito, no, na hihigit sa'yo. At kung ito man ay isang kaibigan, no, wala kahit magkaroon siya ng maraming friend, no, ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang kanya tinuturing rito na close or best friend, if this is your friend. And for others of you, no, syempre kung family member, no, at malayo ka rito sa person na ito, no, kung ito man ay mama mo or papa mo, syempre namimiss ka nila, no, or kapatid mo, family member, it is, no. Iba naman, pwedeng ka in relationship nyo siya, no, namimiss niya kayo, no, and this person could be LDR or long distance relationship, pero, alam mo yun, no, gusto, iba pa rin, no, iba pa rin daw yung pag malapit ka at nakakasama ka niya, no. So, I'm getting this type of energy that if this person, kung hindi kayo as in, nag-close yung cycle, kung hindi ito yung past lover mo or what, no, communication is nakikita ko rito na paparating sa inyo. Pero dun sa kung ex nyo ito, nakikita ko rito na yung communication, no, is iniisip niya. Okay? Iniisip niya makipag-communicate like, kamusta ka na? Hello? Hi? Yan, no? Ganun. Pero yung totoo, no, sa likod nun is gusto niya, no, na malaman pa kung ano yung emosyon mo ngayon patungkol sa kanya, paano mo siya nabu-view ngayon, Gemini. Yan. Okay? Also, sabi sa inyo, message in a bottle. This person here misses you. See, look at that. We have here this nostalgia. Number 6 is present right here. Yung iba pwedeng birth date niya yung 15. Yung iba 15 pa lang na teenager nanonood na dito. Uwi. That's the energy of hakseng or students. Pero yun nga mga babes, no, doesn't have to be na student kayo, no, pero dito kasi, kaya ako na-mention yung student, no, inaaral niya kasi ngayon, no, kung paano, iba kasi bago lang, no, na, kung LDR man ito, bago lang to na parang, bago or feels like bago, no, na parang hindi siya nasasanay na wala ka sa tabingan, hindi niya lagi nakikita at nahahawakan yung kamay mo at naaamoy ang malambot mong buhok. I'm picking up here more likely. So whatever the case may be, pwedeng, pwedeng, alam mo yun, no, yung hair mo is, this person is what what he or she loves about you, no, or yung hair mo, favorite niya yan, na parang, hawakan or nagtatali siya ng buhok mo, yung mga ganyan. No? So whatever the case may be, this person, yung smell na hair mo, I'm also picking that up. So, this person right here, no, namimiss ka niyan at makakatanggap ka ng mensahe kung ito ay ka-in relationship mo ngayon, no, or someone here na pwedeng may connection na kayo, pero yun nga, wala pa kayong label, could be, palayo kayo sa isa't isa, pwede rin. At kung ito man ay ex, no, expect nyo na yung communication, pero yun nga, no, iniisip niya pa lang, no. So, ito ay mabagal, kung ito man ay coming sa ex ninyo, no, ito ay tubig mga babes. So, depende yan sa alon ng emosyon. Pag malakas ang alon, hampas ng alon ay mabilis na matatangay ang bote na ito, no? At okay, para yan sa inyong mga ex or parang sa mga nagkaroon dito ng parang ending sa inyong connection. Yan. So, we also have here this fork in the road, no? Nakikita ko rito na meron kayo ritong mga choices na pag-iisipan in the upcoming days here for you guys. So, ilatag naman na natin lahat rito. And also have here this round and round, yeah. Shell ng snail, isn't it? Diba? Shell ng snail. And we're talking about Gary! Diba Gary yung pangalan ng snail ni SpongeBob? so, so, yeah, no? We also have here the TikTok, Chopwood, and Loyal Heart. Wow! Wow! Loyal Heart with the new life. So, if you're looking here for that love, not just love, pero yung talagang mamahalin ka, no, the type of energy na talagang swak sa hinahanap mo. Oras na. This is divine timing, the TikTok, no? Kasi ikaw to na parang nare-realize mo na tumatanda ka na, nagmamature yung isip mo, no, sa pag-deal mo rito sa mga bagay-bagay, no. Actually, specifically sa love life. Ayaw mo na yung parang ikaw yung nagbibigay lang ng nagbibigay, yung walang equal give and take, no, hindi nare-reciprocate back, no, ayaw mo ng less, you want more, yung deserving mo. And because of that, yun yung binibigay dito, no, ni universe or ni God sa'yo. We do not have any religion here, okay? I respect kung ano man ang relihiyon ninyo mga mahal, no? So just take only what resonates, but definitely, there's this new life na mafe-feel mo so connected. Yung iba, this is love life here. See, may pagtawid from this black and white here, you're moving towards this colorful world. Wow! And that colorful world has something to do with new life. No, yung gigising ka sa umaga na, sarap naman mabuhay rito sa ganitong klase ng mundo, wala kang iniisip, no? And it's coming right in your future. And yung iba, no, na looking for love, I'm seeing someone here. This is my King and Queen of Hearts. No? I love it because this is calling for that infinity and beyond, that type of endless love. Yeah. So whatever the case may be, this is something here feels like a fairy tale to you. Yung iba, pwedeng ito mga babes, no, ay ka-in relationship mo na, this person wants to marry you, carry his or her surname, no, or wala tayong gender dito, pwede magkapalit-palit. And of course, I do pick up, no, na yung new life nag-iintay sa'yo, no. Basta kung ano man to na ginagawa mo rito na parang hindi ka na bumabalik at nakikita mo yung worth mo, hindi ka na bumabalik sa past, I mean, or hindi ka na nagsistay dun sa parang tinitiis mo yung sitwasyon, no, pero kaya mo naman palang umalis, no. I'm seeing na palapit ng palapit ka rito sa new life na pinag-uusapan natin. Yung iba na hindi love life yan, I do pick up na ito yung mas calmer, mas lighter na life for you. This is something here, nagigising ka sa umaga, you feel excited, and you just wanna go with your daily routine, a lot of energy, no? Compare sa buhay mo recently or buhay mo now, this is definitely different. It's like you've been taken here to another world and you are meant to that path because we have here the fork in the road, the fates. Marami kang pagdadaanan ngayon pero dadalhin ka niyan sa tadhana mo. See, we've got again number 8. 1 plus 7, what will you get? 8, that is your infinity and beyond. And I'm picking up that whatever it is, the universe will grant your wishes. Pero one by one lang. Meron kang isang wish na matutupad and that is one of your biggest wish. Gemini. Wow! Alam mo, the higher power is right beside you. Higher power is the universe, God, whatever it is you call sa ating higher power, no? I do respect that. So your beliefs right here, the universe wants you to receive this wishes fulfillments mo, but meron ditong isang wish na matutupad ka, no? One at a time. These challenges na pagdadaanan or pinagdadaanan mo ngayon ay parte ng plano upang makarating ka sa kung saan ka talaga dapat na makarating, no? At isa itong klase ng ride, no, ng buhay kung saan talagang magugustuhan mo ng magstay doon, no, sa new life na yun, no? I'm seeing you right here, no, riding this. Alam mo, this looks like a snail dito sa image na to, but to me, this is like a carousel. Okay? Hindi yung sasakyan dyan ng P to point, ay point to point kundi sa itong carousel, may kabayo na sinasakyan sa mga amusement parks, no? Feels so magical when you ride it, no? Kahit paikot-ikot yun, ang sarap sa feeling, no? And this is the type of life, this type of new life, no, na ibibigay sa iyo ni universe, no? Exchanging gifts, ibigay mo sa kanya lahat ng mga basura mo, those excess baggage, no? Lahat ng mga nararamdaman mong pain, loneliness, no? In all about those things, no? Ang kapalit ay number 9. 9 is the number of wishes and dreams coming true. Parang, akin na yung basura mo, be. At ibibigay ko sa iyo ang ganitong klase ng buhay, no? Buhay na gusto mo. See? Ang kapalit ng lahat ng mga basura, no? Lahat ng mga luhang natuyo at naging muta ay ang isang buhay na gustong-gusto mo. Ang sarap gumising dito. Tinan mo ang ganda mo dyan, no? Fresh na fresh, no? Yung parang, yung buhay mo kasi before or buhay mo nito parang haggard pagising mo. Ay, ano ba yan? 'Di ba? Ang lalim na agad ng hinga mo na parang ayaw mong pumasok sa work mo, you feel tired already, no, after waking up. You feel that you want to go home, papasok ka pa lang kind of thing, no? And they do pick up, no, that this life, this new life waiting for you, okay, is yung buhay na talagang gusto mo. I'm seeing wealth coming into your life. Changes in your kaperahan is about to happen here. And yung iba kasi rito, matagal na kayong naghihintay ng ganyan. Pero nakikita ko rito, may pagkainip, no? And iniisip kasi ninyo parang malayo sa pag-abot or malayo sa katotohanan yung bagay na yon, then you need to release it, stop that belief, because it's already here, honey. Bibigay na sa'yo, oras na, ayun no, oras na. That's the hand of the universe right here, no? Matagal ito, naka-parachute pa, parachute, ano yan, hot air balloon, oh. Pero tingnan mo, finally, okay? That life that you envision here for yourself, you are about to receive here coming from the hands of God, from the hands of the universe. And that is your fate, that is your tadhana, that is your destiny calling you to trust the divine's plan for your life. And that plan is co-created by you as well, because whatever inside that new life is everything that aligns you to what you love. Oh, ito talaga yung gusto kong buhay. Ay, ang tagal ko nang gustong i-try tong sports na 'to. Buti naka-join na ako rito. Grabe, ito yung food na gusto ko. Ang hirap nitong mabili sa market pero ngayon, wow, may stock ako rito sa ref. Everything. Little things to big things, honey. You will receive that one by one, it is about to manifest in your life. How wonderful is that? How awesome it is. It's really about to happen. So claim this, Gemini, because I know that this is for you. So thank you so much. Sarang 11 light. Annyeong.